Grace and restoration. The fact that Jesus didn't condemn this woman's sin does not mean he didn't care about it. His intention was to redeem her life from the destructive nature of that sin. And it's the same with you. Yes, Jesus is so ready to pour out his mountain of grace on your life. That grace is so much greater than all your sin, even though you have hurt him deeply and personally. He wants to restore your relationship with him and make it even better than it was before. And the beginning of that restoration, the foundation of all future spiritual growth in your life, is for you to come back to step one of all spiritual growth. Bring your life, and especially that area of sin, back into a total commitment to the leadership of Jesus Christ. Then feel the growth process begin to operate once again. You'll be like the tree in Psalm 1:3. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season and whose leaf does not wither, whatever they do prospers. NIV. Written by John North.
When Jesus had lifted up himself and saw none but the woman, he said unto her, Woman, where are those thine accusers? Hath no man condemned thee? She said, No man, Lord. And Jesus said unto her, Neither do I condemn thee. Go, and sin no more. And he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, that bringeth forth his fruit in his season. His leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever he doeth shall prosper.